Hi, I'm Dustin with Benjamin Franklin Plumbing of Mohave County. Water pressure in your plumbing system is important to keep things running smoothly. Low water pressure can be frustrating, but often high water pressure can go unnoticed. Leaky pipes or joints can be a sign of excess strain. Damaged appliances, like your dishwasher, can show that your water pressure regulator may be going out or has already gone out. This critical piece of your system has a lifespan of about 7 to 12 years. If you're finding problems, get expert support from the best plumbers. Reach out to Benjamin Franklin of Mohave County.